Okay, so like in this video, like I will tell you like how you can be like a person who never skips Fajr prayer. So like the first thing is like sleep with intention. Before you sleep, like say Bismillah and like make niyyah. Ya Allah, help me, please, like help me, so I can like wake up in Fajr. Like just do a niyyah, like even if it is small, like just do it before sleeping, and just do the zikr of Allah before you sleep. Like when you are in bed, like just do the zikr like completely until your eyes like shut down and you like completely go to sleep. And the second step is like no phone at night. Like please man, don't use phone at night. I'm like honest, those blue ray lights just destroy our sleep like completely. Just use like a red light filter on your phone. If you are like doing like some busy tasks at night, use red light filters on your phone, and like no phone using. And the third thing is like just use a loud alarm type. Just put the volume like totally up and make sure to use the alarm as like which you have like in your phone ringtone, like similar, like both should be like similar, the ringtone of your phone and that alarm also, the both things should be similar. Then only like you could wake up in Fajr. Like you will like just even think like when you're sleeping, like when you just like wake up, you will think like, oh man, like who is this guy like calling me at the morning. Like you will be like shocked, like who is calling me right now at this moment. And you will wake up and like you will like just pick up the phone and see, oh, it's my ringtone. And the fourth thing is just have your Fajr party. Like just call your guy and like say, I really want to like pray Fajr prayer, I don't want to miss Fajr prayer. Like please man, when you wake up, just like call me, just do a call. You will also get sawab and I will also get sawab, both will get sawab. Say this and I'm sure like he will call you because of that extra sawab. And if you like suddenly wake up for Fajr, just remember this, that is Allah's invitation to you man. That is Allah's invitation. If you don't accept it, just think man, like you're accepting like anyone, like any nugus invitation, and you don't want to accept your Lord's invitation. You like just accept your Lord's invitation. Just have to like give your morning 10 minutes to your Lord. That's it. Just do dhikr man. Just wake up and like play the sunnat and Fajr both in a nice way, in a really nice way. Don't like misbehave in prayers. Just pray with good intention. Like just don't think when you pray, just don't think unnecessary stuff. Just let your mind like just be at the present moment. Just clear your thoughts and like just pray Alhamdulillah Rabbil Alameen and just like smoothly. That's it for this video man. I hope you enjoyed it.